Tutorial to set up the flight controller in order to enable the remote ID features. From the link shown, download Python for your operating system, in this case Windows. Open the File Explorer and go to your downloads, double-click on the file we downloaded, press Run, Install Now. When finished, press Close. Click on the Windows icon and type Manage App Execution Aliases. Open it and in the displayed window, uncheck the shown options. Click on the Windows icon and type Command Prompt. To execute the command we must have internet access, type it and press Enter. After appears the message Successfully installed pyserial, type the following command and the file name and extension provided by our support team. For this, the file must be in the Downloads folder. We recommend copying and pasting the name to avoid transcription problems. Just remember to include the extension. Connect your flight controller by USB to the computer, then click on the Windows icon and type Device Manager. Go to the section Ports, COM and LTP, and click on the arrow to display the connected devices. Make sure that both controller interfaces are shown. Then press Enter. Then it will start scanning for the right COM port. This may take a couple of minutes. When this is found, it will erase the current firmware and load the new one. After finishing, the flight controller will restart and the startup tones will sound. Then you can close the command window. Reopen the Device Manager to check again that the two interfaces still appear. If a warning triangle appears, do not continue with the process and contact us as soon as possible. Open Mission Planner and in the upper right corner select the port corresponding to MAV link and baud rate of 115,200. Do not click on Connect. At the top left, go to Setup, Install Firmware and select Bootloader Update. Wait for it to connect. It may take a couple of seconds. When the following window appears, press Yes, then Yes again. And wait until the upgraded bootloader window appears, press OK. Contact/notify our support team to receive further instructions.